Welcome back. Getting back to news now. In a breaking update, Satyendra Jain has now moved the Supreme Court against the trial court, putting a hold on the money laundering trial against him till the 30th of September and deferring the bail plea and issuing a notice to the accused in the case on the Enforcement Directorate's plea of replacing the judge hearing the matter. Now, this is coming across when the Delhi court had stayed the trial court proceedings against the Aam Aadmi party leader Satyendra Jain, who is presently in judicial custody. As per the request of what's been pointed out by the Enforcement Directorate, because they wanted a change in the judge where the proceedings will continue. And this is coming across even as Satyendra Jain, through his team of lawyers, have now approached the Supreme Court seeking relief. And the Supreme Court considers as an urgent hearing on this matter. This is the money laundering case, as Satyendra Jain has been in custody since the month of May. Satyendra Jain has now moved the top court. Now, this is coming at a time when the money laundering case that is being investigated by the ED, the Delhi court had put a stay on the proceedings till the time the matter is taken up by the end of this month, that is on the 30th of September. However, the Satyendra Jain, who has now approached the Supreme Court now against the trial court, putting on hold the money laundering case 30th of September, deferring the bail plea and issuing a notice to the accused in the case on the Enforcement Directorate's plea. Let me go across to Bhavtosh now. Bhavtosh, the development right after the trial court had delayed stayed when it comes to the proceedings till the end of the month. Satyendra Jain has knocked the doors of the Supreme Court.
Yes, the important development has taken place. Satyendra Jain, in fact, has questioned why Enforcement Directorate has approached the court and asked for asked for transfer of the judge. Remember, the previous judge has made some important observation, saying the case or the manner in which this case was being handled by the Enforcement Directorate and the charge sheet that was filed by the probe agency, after which Enforcement Directorate, which was represented by the Additional Solicitor General, had asked for the transfer of the judge, and the district judge had then stayed the trial of the entire matter. This matter was at the bail hearing stage, and many were saying that Satyendra Jain could have got the bail. Satyendra Jain has now, in fact, moved the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has now issued notices.
All right, Bhavtosh, thanks very much for joining in. So, Supreme Court may consider Satyendra Jain's plea and are likely to take up the matter today. We'll keep an update on the same when the matter takes up, the hearing takes up in the Supreme Court. Let's move on now